Hello dear children, in this video I am going to explain how to solve assertion reason type questions which have been introduced in 9th and 10th science since last year. There are some tricks and tips to solve these questions. Let's do it. In assertion reason questions, you are given two statements. One is assertion and the other one is reason. The first tip is that you have to find out whether both these statements are true or false. If the assertion and the reason both are true, A and B, one of the option will be your answer. If the reason is the exact explanation of assertion, then option A is the correct answer. If the reason is not the exact explanation of the assertion, then option B is the correct answer. If the assertion is true and reason is false, C is the correct option. If assertion is false and reason is true, option D is the correct answer. If assertion and reason both statements are false, then E is the correct option. Let's do some examples. In the first question, assertion, bone and cartilage are rigid connective tissue. Reason, blood is fluid connective tissue. In the assertion reason type questions, first step is to find both statements true or false. Now, both statements are true. Next step to find out that the reason is correct explanation of assertion or not. In assertion, bone and cartilage are rigid connective tissues because protein is the framework of cartilage and calcium is the matrix of bone, both of which are strong structures. Here, assertion and reason, both statements are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So, correct answer is option B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Next question, assertion. Epithelial tissues are the protective tissue of animal body. Reason, squamous epithelial cells are thick. Here assertion is true. Reason is false. Squamous epithelial cells are extremely thin. So correct answer is option C. That is, assertion is true but reason is false. Next question, assertion. The muscles of the heart show rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout life. Reason, cardiac muscles are involuntary. The muscles of the heart show rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout life because cardiac muscles are involuntary. Heart muscles are also called cardiac muscles. Involuntary muscles move without our will. Here cardiac muscles move without our will. The correct answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Next assertion, tendons connect one bone to another bone. Reason, ligaments connect skeletal muscles to bones. Here both assertion and reason are false. Here correct statement for assertion is ligaments connect one bone to another bone. Correct statement of reason is tendons connect skeletal muscles to bone. So correct answer is option D. Both assertion and reason are false. Next question, assertion. Unstriated muscles are said to be voluntary in nature. Reason, unstriated muscles can be moved according to our will. Here both statements are false. Unstriated muscles or smooth muscles are said to be involuntary in nature because they do not contract or relax according to our will. Those muscles which can be moved according to our will are called voluntary muscles. So correct answer is option D. Both assertion and reason are false. Next question, assertion. Ciliated epithelium helps in movement of particles. Reason, cilia help in movement. Here both statements are true. Ciliated epithelium helps in movement of particles because cilia help in movement. The function of the cilia is to move particles or mucus. It is present in inner surfaces of some hollow organs such as trachea and bronchi and help in movement of the particles present there. So the correct answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Next question, assertion. Axon is a short conducting fiber of neuron. Reason, axon transmits impulse away from the cell body. Here assertion is false because axon is a single long conducting fiber extending from neuron. The statement of reason, axon transmits impulse away from the cell body. This statement is true. So correct answer for this question is option D. Assertion is false, reason is true. Next question, assertion. White blood cells provides resistance against infection. Reason, white blood cell produces antibodies in the body. Both statements are true. And reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So option A is the correct answer.